Welcome to Learn English with Lizzy. My name is Elizabeth Peter, and my goal is to help you improve your English fluency through educational English videos. Today, we are going to learn about 20 English idioms with letter L. Leg it. This means to run, especially in order to escape from somebody. Example: 4 prisoners legged it during the last prison break. Leisure. At leisure. This means free with no particular activities. Example: we will meet at leisure when we are free. Give somebody a leg up. This means to help somebody to get onto a horse, over a wall, etc., by allowing them to put their foot in your hands and lifting them up. Example: could you please give me a leg up here? Lend an ear to somebody or to something. This means to listen in a patient and sympathetic way to somebody. Example: she lends an ear to the orphan's story. Lend somebody a helping hand with something. This means to help somebody with something. Example: I needed somebody to lend me a helping hand with the kids. Lend color to something. This means to make something seem true or probable. Example: the outcome of the investigation lends color to his claims. Lend your name to something. This means to publicly state that you support or agree with somebody or something. Example: the president lent his name to the party's new policy. At length. This means for a long time and in detail. Example: he spoke at length about the new project. The length and breadth of something. This means every part of a place. Example: she has been to the length and breadth of this city. A leopard cannot change its spots. This is used to say that people with bad character do hardly change their bad character. Example: he was caught stealing again. Well, I'm not surprised. A leopard cannot change its spots. If you enjoyed the video this far, kindly click on the subscribe button and like the video. The lesser of two evils, or the lesser evil. This means the less unpleasant of two unpleasant choices. Example: on citing the police, James decided that jumping off the moving train was the lesser of two evils for him. Let somebody down. This means to fail to help or support somebody who relies on your help or support. Example: I promise not to let you down. You can count on me. Let somebody in on something or let somebody into something. This means to let somebody know something that is supposed to be a secret. Example: I am not going to let you in on what I am up to. Without let or hindrance. This means freely, not be restricted from doing something. Example: the prisoners were allowed to walk without let or hindrance. On the level. This means honest, legal. The synonym is above board. Example: He's always on the level in his dealings. You can trust him. Be level pegging. This means having the same score. Example, the two teams were level pegging at the end of the game. A level playing field. This means a situation in which everyone has the same opportunities. Example, the chairman promised to create a level playing field for everyone in the company. At liberty. This means of a prisoner or an animal no longer in prison or in a cage. Free. Example, the prisoner is finally at liberty. The chickens were raised at liberty. Keep a or the lead on something. This means to keep something secret or hidden. Example, he tried to keep a lead on their relationship. That means he tried to keep their relationship secret. Secondly, it means to keep something under control. Example, he's keeping the lead on his children. Lie through your teeth. This means to say something that is not true at all. Example, she had lied through her teeth to get the job. Thank you for watching. Kindly subscribe and like the video.